Kubernetes, K8s, is an open-source orchestration platform for automating deployment, scaling, and management of containerized applications. Kubernetes is developed by Google in 2014 and written in Go language. Kubernetes equals K8s. Kubernetes came from Greek word helmsman or pilot, which means person who steers the ship. It groups multiple containers which are needed to run an application into a logical unit, known as pod, for easy management. Kubernetes system based on master and worker nodes. Where master node works as a control plane which handles all the communications and application runs in worker nodes. Note: Kubernetes is not a containerization platform. It is a multi-container management solution. Kubernetes is a rapidly evolving platform that manages containerized, container-based applications and their associated networking and storage components. It focuses on the application's workload. Why Kubernetes? Kubernetes now become a standard orchestration platform for containers. Now all cloud service providers support it, and making it as a logical choice for the organizations who are looking to move their applications on cloud. Kubernetes helps to manage scaling, availability, failover and deployments requirements. For Kubernetes it doesn't matter if you are deploying couple of nodes in the cluster or thousands of nodes. Capabilities: service and process definition, service discovery and load balancing, storage orchestration, container-level resource management, automated deployment and rollback, container health management, secrets and configuration management. Advantages of Kubernetes. Kubernetes is having many powerful and advanced capabilities which makes it leader in the field of container management and orchestration. It delivers auto-scaling, scale up and scale down based on traffic and server load automatically. Availability, provide availability through Kubernetes cluster which is having very high built-in fault tolerance. Extensive ecosystem, Kubernetes having strong ecosystem around container networking interface and container storage interface and inbuilt logging and monitoring tools. Auto rollback, Kubernetes having built-in rollback mechanism which monitors the application. Deployment, in case error rate reach the threshold, then deployment will be rolled back to previous version. Thank you for watching. Hope you find it helpful.